Welcome to Mindfulness in Nature, grounding through the senses. The purpose is to cultivate calm, presence, and connection with the natural world. You can do this outdoors, in a garden, park, balcony, or forest, or visualized indoors. Find a comfortable place in nature, somewhere quiet, where you feel safe. This could be a bench under a tree, a patch of grass, or simply standing still. If you're indoors, you can imagine yourself in a favorite natural setting or look out a window. Take a moment to arrive. Let your body settle. Let the ground hold your weight. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Feel your feet connecting with the earth beneath you. Gently allow your eyes to wander, taking in the colors, shapes, and movement around you. Notice the light, how it touches the leaves, the ground, or the sky. Pick one detail to focus on, maybe the curve of a branch or the pattern on a leaf. Let yourself be present with what you see without needing to name or analyze it. Now bring your attention to the sounds around you. Can you hear birds, leaves rustling, the wind? Listen without labeling. Just receive the sound. Let it come and go like waves. Gently breathe in through your nose. What do you notice? The scent of soil, grass, pine, flowers, or the fresh air itself. Try taking 2 or 3 mindful breaths, simply noticing the smells carried by the wind. Now turn your attention to what you can physically feel. The air on your skin, the warmth of the sun, the texture of bark, grass, or the ground beneath you. You might reach down and touch the earth. Feel its texture, temperature, firmness, or softness. Notice how your body feels as it makes contact with nature without judgment, just awareness. Take one final deep breath. Silently say to yourself, I am part of this natural world. I am grounded, connected, and present. Nature is always here to return to. Pause in stillness for a few final breaths, allowing this connection to settle in your body. When you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers or toes. Stretch if you'd like. Take one last look around and thank the space, silently or aloud. Carry this sense of calm and connection with you as you move through the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time.